Hello and welcome to the Sheridan Library's tutorial video on accessing LinkedIn Learning. In this video, we will show you how to access your Sheridan College LinkedIn Learning account. Written instructions are also available on the LinkedIn Learning LibGuide. The first step is to open an internet browser and go to linkedin.ca to sign out of your personal account. To do this, click on the small profile picture at the top of the screen and select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. You must do this step before trying to sign in to your Sheridan LinkedIn Learning profile. If you do not have a personal LinkedIn account, you can skip this step. If a new screen appears asking you to remember and sign out, do not select this option. Sign completely out of your personal profile by selecting Sign Out. Step 2 is clearing your browser history and cache. If you are using a Chrome internet browser, select the 3 dots beside the address bar, select History, and select History again. You will be redirected to a new page with your browser history. Delete your history, including any cache. This step might look different if you are using Firefox, Safari, or Edge. You can search on Google to see the steps for clearing your history in the specific browser you are using. The third step is to open LinkedIn Learning from the library's A to Z database list. Do not search for LinkedIn Learning through Google. You must use the link in our database list to connect to your Sheridan LinkedIn Learning profile. Go to the library homepage at library.sheridancollege.ca and select the database button from under the search bar. Scroll to the letter L and select LinkedIn Learning. Next, you will sign in using your Sheridan SSO, which is your username at sharenet.sheridancollege.ca and your password. When prompted, enter your full username at sharenet.sheridancollege.ca, then your password, and authenticate yourself. In rare cases, you may be asked to sign in with your linkedin.com or organizational email address. If you get this screen, sign in using your Sheridan email address, which is your username at sheridancollege.ca, and then you will be redirected to the SSO. At this stage, one of 2 things may happen. If you have never connected to your personal LinkedIn account to your Sheridan LinkedIn Learning account, then you will be automatically redirected to your Sheridan LinkedIn Learning profile. However, if you have previously connected your Sheridan LinkedIn Learning account with your personal LinkedIn account, then you will need to sign in to your personal LinkedIn account with your password. Let's walk through both scenarios. If you have not connected your Sheridan LinkedIn Learning account with your personal LinkedIn account, then you should go directly to the LinkedIn Learning platform. You should see a LinkedIn Learning logo at the top left, no profile picture and the Sheridan S logo in the top right, and your name in the middle of the page. If you have connected your personal LinkedIn account with your Sheridan LinkedIn Learning account, you will be redirected after the SSO to a new login page. Double check that the email address is your personal email address and enter your personal LinkedIn account password. If you cannot recall your personal LinkedIn password, you can take steps to reset it and then start this process again. Once you have signed in with your personal password, the LinkedIn Learning platform should open. You should see a LinkedIn Learning logo in the top left, your personal LinkedIn profile picture and the Sheridan S logo in the top right, and your name in the middle of the page. You can now begin using your Sheridan LinkedIn Learning account. You can choose to connect your personal LinkedIn and Sheridan LinkedIn Learning accounts or keep them apart. Thank you so much for watching. If you continue to have issues accessing your Sheridan LinkedIn Learning account, please submit a library help ticket. The link address is provided here and available on the library website.